SAP versus DevOps, comparing two distinct approaches to enterprise software. Both are strong career paths. This means each offers robust, viable opportunities for technical professionals. For instance, one might focus on enterprise business process integration, while the other centers on software delivery automation and culture. Both require deep expertise and are in high demand. You can build a successful, long-term career in either field. SAP focuses on enterprise applications. This means its core strength is in creating and managing the large, integrated software systems that run critical business operations. For example, a single application might handle a company's entire global finance, logistics, and human resources. Therefore, it specializes in comprehensive business solutions. The bullet phrase is DevOps focuses on automation and delivery. This means its goal is to use tools to automatically build, test, and release software updates. For example, code pushed to a repository can automatically trigger tests and deployment to a server. This continuous automation streamlines the entire software delivery process. Demand exists for both roles. This means each role has a distinct, valuable purpose. For instance, one role might focus on stable business processes, while another accelerates development and deployment. Consider a company where one team ensures reliable financial reporting and another rapidly updates the customer-facing application. Both functions are essential for a complete, effective technology operation. Choice depends on your interest. This means your preference for a specific technical domain or methodology is a personal decision based on what you enjoy working on. For example, one person might be drawn to deep data and process modeling, while another prefers the rapid, automated cycles of modern software delivery. The best path aligns with what genuinely engages you. SAP Career Path. The phrase is stable enterprise ecosystem. This means the core business environment and its integrated applications are reliable and consistent for the long term. For example, a company's finance, logistics, and human resources systems work together predictably for years. This operational stability is a key professional advantage. High demand in large organizations. This means there is a significant need for these specialized skills within big companies. For example, a global manufacturer might need a team to manage and integrate its complex, worldwide business processes. This creates strong and stable career opportunities in such enterprise environments. Opportunities exist in S4HANA and BTP. This means you can build skills into major areas, the core enterprise suite and the platform for extending it. For example, you could develop a custom mobile application that connects to the core system's data. Mastering these complementary technologies opens significant career paths. Less coding compared to DevOps. This means the role involves more configuration and using built-in tools rather than writing extensive custom scripts from scratch. For example, you might use a graphical interface to set up an automated deployment pipeline instead of coding the entire process. This approach focuses on leveraging existing platforms to streamline workflows. Long-term career stability. This means building skills in a foundational system that remains essential for core business operations over many years. For example, A professional specializing in financial data workflows ensures those critical processes run reliably decade after decade. This creates a durable and valued role within an organization. DevOps career path, a structured progression for professional growth. There is high demand in startups and product companies. These organizations need to release software updates quickly and reliably to compete. For example, a product company might have a team dedicated to automating the deployment of its mobile app. This focus on rapid delivery makes these roles critical and sought after. Focus on automation and CI/CD. This means using tools to automatically build, test, and deploy code changes, ensuring rapid and reliable software delivery. For example, a script could automatically run tests and deploy an application to a server whenever new code is committed. This core practice streamlines development and reduces manual errors. This path requires strong scripting skills. This means you must be proficient in writing automated code to handle repetitive tasks, like configuring systems. For instance, you might write a script to automatically back up log files every night. Mastering these skills is fundamental to efficiently managing the development and operations life cycle. The phrase is faster growth in early career. This means a DevOps role accelerates skill development for new professionals. For example, a junior engineer quickly learns automation, monitoring, and deployment by working on real pipelines. This integrated exposure builds a broad and valuable skill set rapidly. This is a dynamic and fast-changing field. It means the tools and methods for building and running software evolve rapidly. For example, a team might adopt a new automated testing tool this month to replace a manual process. Staying current with these changes is essential for success in this career. The best strategy for SAP BTP adoption. The best strategy is to combine SAP with DevOps skills. This means applying DevOps practices like automation, continuous integration, and collaborative workflows to SAP development and operations. For example, a team could use automated pipelines to test and deploy changes to a custom application, reducing manual effort and errors. This integration creates a more agile and reliable environment for managing solutions. Learn automation and cloud. This means using software to handle repetitive tasks and accessing computing services over the internet. For example, a script could automatically back up daily sales reports to a remote server instead of doing it manually. Mastering these skills is a powerful way to build efficient and modern solutions. Become SAP DevOps engineer. This means merging development and operations into one streamlined role. You would automate the build, test, and deployment of software to ensure faster, more reliable updates. For instance, you could create a script that automatically tests a new report and deploys it overnight. This unified approach is key to modern, efficient software delivery. Increase your market value. This means enhancing your skills to become more sought after in your field. For instance, a developer who learns to build secure APIs becomes a more valuable asset to their team. By focusing on such in-demand capabilities, you directly strengthen your professional position. Do not limit yourself to one path. This means designing flexible systems where components can be swapped or upgraded independently. For example, An application should be able to connect to different databases without a complete rewrite. This strategic flexibility ensures your solutions can adapt to future changes and requirements.